Welcome to part 1 of linear equations. Let's start this by solving problems. If we have an equation like this, 2x equals 6. If I rephrase this, you would realize that this is a very easy problem. This 2x equals 6 is the same thing as 2 times something or 2 times question mark equals 6. When you write a number close to a variable, it is assumed that you are multiplying them. So 2 times x here, instead of writing something, we write x. You could say that what number times 2 is equal to 6? And as simple as you can see, the number is 3. But I will show you how to do it systematically, so that in case 2 was a more complicated number, you would know how to go about it. So we're writing this. If we have 2x equals 3, the first thing we could do is to divide both sides of the equation by 2. In which case, the left hand side will cancel, leaving x. Looking at the right hand side, 2 will go into 6 3 times, so 2x equals 3. Another way we could do this is to multiply both sides of the equation by half, which is actually the same thing as we did earlier. Half times 2 is 1, and also half times 6 is 3. Why? Because 2 will go into 6 3 times, so x is equal to 3. Let's take a look at this problem. Negative 3 over 4 times x equals 10 over 13. What we are saying is negative 3/4 times some number x is equal to 10 over 13. What we do is to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the coefficient of x. Now, listen carefully. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is the number that is being multiplied by x. So here, the coefficient of x is negative 3 over 4. Reciprocal means that we are writing the number upside down. So the reciprocal of negative 3 over 4 is negative 4 over 3. So we multiply. So what we do is just to multiply both sides of the equation by negative 4 over 3. Like this. In algebra, dot can be used to replace the multiplication sign, so that the multiplication sign is not confused with the variable x. So, as you can see, negative 4 over 3 and negative 3 over 4 cancels out. This is to say that a number times its reciprocal is always equal to 1. A number times its reciprocal is always equal to 1. Leaving x to be equal to 10 over 13 times 4 over 3. 10 times 4 is 40. Here at the numerator, and at the denominator, 13 times 3 is 39. Hence, our x is equal to negative 40 over 39. We can check to see whether our answer is correct. So let's substitute x equals negative over 39 back into the original equation. So we have negative 3 over 4 times negative 40 over 39 equals 10 over 30. When you see a written parenthesis like this, it's also another way of writing times, so don't be confused. It just means that negative 3 times negative 40 over 39. That's what it means. So 3 goes into 39 how many times? 13 times. And 4 goes into 40 how many times? 10 times. So we have negative 1 times negative 10 over 13. A negative number times another negative number gives us a positive number. So negative 1 times negative 10 equals 10. Hence we have 10 over 13, which is equal to what we have on our right hand side. So we have been able to check whether our answer is correct.